Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Ariba Khan and my partner for the presentation of this video is Iman Fatma. Today we are going to present the diet chart of a 20 to 40 years old adult meeting his all nutrition requirements under the guidelines of Dr. Muhammad Inamur Rahim. As a nutritionist, I have been asked many times to come up with a diet plan for adults. Today we are diving into a balanced diet chart specifically designed for adults between 20 to 40 years old. Now, why do we need a separate diet plan for adults? Well, after puberty, our growth is complete, but our dietary needs continue to evolve. During adulthood, we focus on maintaining bone strength, supporting a healthy metabolism, and making smart lifestyle choices that set the stage for a healthier future. So, how much do adults really need? The amount of calories an adult needs depends on factors like body weight and activity levels. On average, for women around 55 to 65 kg, it's about 1800 to 2200 kilocalories per day. And men usually need 2200 to 2800 kilocalories per day. These calorie ranges provide enough energy for daily activities while preventing weight gain. But remember, individual needs may vary. The next question is, what should we be eating? The Food and Drug Administration recommends that adults get about 55% of their calories from carbohydrates, 20% from protein, and 25% from fats. But not all carbs, proteins, and fats are created equal. So here's what we need to prioritize. Protein. Aim for about 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight. This helps muscle repair and overall bodily functions. Calcium and vitamin D to maintain strong bones and prevent osteoporosis. Fiber, antioxidants, and fluids to keep digestion, immunity, and hydration in check. Now that we know what we need, let's look at how I put it all together in a sample diet plan for 20 to 40 years adult meeting his all nutrition requirements. First up, breakfast at 7 a.m. We are starting the day with a nourishing milkshake made with oats, banana, and milk. This combo provides complex carbs, fiber, and calcium. To add more energy, I am including 2 slices of bread with an omelette. This meal provides a great balance of nutrients to fuel your morning. Next, at around 12 a.m., it's time for a tea break. I'm having tea with milk and a few light crackers. This keeps my energy level steady without adding too many extra calories. Lunch at 3 p.m. I am having a delicious chicken pilau with a side of cucumber salad. This meal offers a mix of lean protein, carbs, and fresh vegetables, which are rich in fiber and micronutrients. In the evening at around 5 p.m., I am enjoying some fresh juice along with a handful of almonds. This snack provides natural vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats to keep me feeling satisfied and energized. Finally, dinner at 8 p.m. I am having a light but filling meal of wheat chapati with chicken kebab, raita, and a simple salad. This combination includes carbs, proteins, probiotics, and vegetables for a nutritious end to the day. And there you have it, a balanced diet for adults. This diet provides approximately 1740 kilocalories, while ensuring a healthy balance of carbs, proteins, and fats. It also includes servings from all the essential food groups: cereals, proteins, fruits, vegetables, dairy, and healthy fats. Now remember, this is just a sample diet. You can customize it to fit your preferences and dietary needs. Feel free to swap meals or snacks and adjust portion sizes to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family.